Good morning. May I have your name, please?
Alante Martin.
We'll be with you in a moment. Thank you.
Attorney Roberts, do we have Childry, Leak, or Moore? Those three top ones are mine, and I have to go to one courtroom real quickly.
Childry is in jail. They should be joining. We do not have Miss Moore, and Mr. Leak appears to be in St. Clair County Jail, so I'm asking for adjournment.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I will be, have to go to 133, and I'll be right back. If you need me, just let me know. Thank you.
Good morning. May I have your name, please, sir? Good morning. May I have your name, please?
Taylor Blakes.
All right, thank you. We'll be with you in one moment.
Okay. Are y'all ready to go in?
Are we ready on Atlanta Martin?
Yes.
Madam Prosecutor, are you there?
Material rate us. And
Are we ready on Atlanta Martin?
Yes, Your Honor, the people are ready.
Mr. Martin, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Can't see you, sir.
I'm trying to put my head. Sorry.
All right, so let us go on the record. The court calls the people versus Atlanta rather. Martin.
Alante.
Alante?
Yes, sir.
Atlante. Court
Yeah,
calls.
ALANTA.
Okay, thank you. Court calls the people versus Alante Martin. It's case number 230-445-7401. Case is set for a final pretrial conference on today. May I have your appearances, please, starting with the prosecution?
Good morning to this honorable court. Carolyn Solari, P number 86651 for the people.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Iantra Roberts, P76414, appearing on behalf of Mr. Martin. Mr. Martin, can you unmute your device and state your name one more time for us?
Alante Martin.
Thank you, sir.
All right, today being the date and time set for a final pretrial conference, Attorney Roberts, what is your pleasure in this matter?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the complainant is excused from today's court hearing, and Ms. Solari indicates that there is likely an offer of 769.4A, but she still needs to confer with the complainant. I've relayed that likely offer to Mr. Martin. At this time, I would ask for an additional final pretrial conference in potentially 1 to 2 weeks so that we can further discuss that with Mr. Martin and confirm that with the people.
All right, thank you. Madam Prosecutor, what do you say?
The people have no objection to maybe I would say a 2-week adjournment if Attorney Roberts in this honorable court are amenable to that.
Okay, so 2 weeks from today would be the continued final pretrial conference date in this matter. And that would be the 9th of June. And we'll set it for 9:45 a.m. Anything further from the people?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
6. Attorney Roberts.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. We'll see you in a few weeks, sir. A couple weeks, sir. Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Taylor Blake's is Attorney Coles.
No.
Unless
No,
you're-
Your Honor.
Are you ready on that, Madam Prosecutor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Roberts, did I hear you correctly that Childry is present?
She should be joining from the jail.
Okay. Miss Blakes, are you there?
Yes,
Can't see you, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
All right, so the court calls the people versus Taylor Blake's is case number 230-442-3401. May I have your appearances, please, starting with the prosecution.
Carolyn Solari, P number 86651 for the people.
Thank you.
Good morning, Iantra Roberts appearing on behalf of Ms. Blakes. Ms. Blakes, can you state your name, please?
Taylor Blakes.
All right, and Attorney Roberts, what is your pleasure at this time?
Your Honor, I know that this is docketed for a trial, but we did ask to adjourn this because Ms. Blakes does have another matter which she needs to get arraigned on, and we would like to track. So I would respectfully ask that we consider adjourning or setting another final pretrial conference or rescheduling her trial date. Her intentions are to get arraigned on that matter on this upcoming Tuesday. And I know that she was supposed to appear in person to be fingerprinted. I think when we changed it to final pretrial, there might have been some confusion. Ms. Blake said she didn't receive notice, and
She didn't receive notice of what?
to come in person for that. So when we change it to a final pretrial, I know that I'm sure I told her probably that she didn't have to come in person any longer. So that might be my thought, because it's likely that I did.
Okay.
So,
Attorney
ask
Solari.
her to appear in person next time so we can get that issue resolved as well.
Your Honor, if the people may inquire as to confirm the matter that Attorney Roberts is referring to, do you have the case number, Attorney Roberts?
I can look it up and give it to you.
So you said that there's a matter in which she needs to be arraigned,
Yes.
and she plans on doing what as it remains to that?
Turning herself in to address that on Tuesday.
Okay, and I think that will be case number 230-567-9801.
Okay, I have that, Your Honor. And this is the people's understanding this is involving the same complainant, correct? The people would have no objection to a further final pretrial date or scheduling another pretrial date so as to track the felony matter.
Okay, so let's do this. If, let's say 3 weeks from now, we set a further final pretrial conference. Let's make that for the 16th of June, and that'll be at 9:45 a.m. And we'll see where we are with this matter as well as the other matter, if there's any relation between the two as far as resolution or otherwise. Anything further from people?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Attorney Roberts?
I have an inquiry, but I may need to take it with the court, because if she is fingerprinted when she goes to DDC, I'm wondering if that would satisfy her need to be fingerprinted here as well. But if not, should she then appear in person?
Yeah, we're gonna have that, for whatever reason, we'll have the new final pretrial conference on the 16th in person, just
Yeah.
on the chance that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms.
Extra
Sly.
finger. All right, thank you. Ms. Blakes, we'll see you in a few weeks. Have a good day and be well.
Thank you.
No. Tanisha Moore,
Not at this time, Your Honor.
all right. You said no Tanisha Moore, but you said Childry and Leak are incarcerated.
Yes. Children should be joining. Leak, I did not know was incarcerated until this morning.
Okay. Attorney Cole, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Good morning. Who
Good
else do
morning,
you have
Skip.
other than Childry and Leak?
Moore, Tanisha Moore, looks like a 2018 case, and the review of Emotion Townsend.
Okay. We don't have a Tanisha Moore, so of course going to issue a warrant there. Childry, we're waiting on the jail. Mr. Leak, we didn't know he was incarcerated, so there was no request sent out to the St. Clair County jail, so we'll have to give a new date for that. We'll put it off for 2 weeks, so that's, let's say, June 8th.
You said June 8th?
I think it's June 9th, I think is a Friday, right? Yeah, June 9th.
You said St. Clair? I just want from my notes.
St. Clair County, correct, Attorney Roberts?
That's my understanding. Yes, Your Honor.
And Childry is where?
Wayne County Jail. So they should be
Okay.
joining because I spoke with them yesterday.
Oh, okay, thank you. And then Emotion Townsend.
And so that's not docketed until 10.
Yeah, that's not documented.
So if there's something else you need to get to, you feel free to do that. And if Ms. Townsend shows up, we'll reach out.
Right. And also, I have a case I spoke with Attorney Roberts, Destiny Green, that I recently found out from the complaining witness that she passed away. So if you want me to put on the record or get the case number and everything, she was on, I think it was, yeah, 22.
What? Wow. I remember Arena Green and Destiny.
Yes,
Green.
yes.
Wow.
She had a five-week-old baby and a 6-year-old.
What in the world? Okay.
I didn't know. I spoke to Attorney Roberts and I didn't know if we should put it on the record. I can pull up the case number and
I can grab it.
kind of say it. All I know is her mother said the autopsy was pending. I don't, you know. So I will check that.
All right,
Thank you.
well, 1 second. Let's do green. I want to
Oh, okay.
try to pull that up. I thought I had the case number. I don't see it here.
I should have it too.
I have it, Your Honor. The court
Sure.
needs it.
I do.
I
Go.
220-444-4501.
Oh, okay. I was spelling it all kind of wrong. All right. So the court calls the People versus Destiny Green. Is case number 220-444-4501. May I have your appearances, please, starting with the People.
Call on behalf of the people.
Thank you.